please. Invocation song, please.
that happen 50-50, we can bring changes, because you have seen how women will bring change in the field of education, science, technology. Our ISRO mission, particularly Chandrayaan, had 30% of them are women scientists. Their contribution is significant. So let's give a big applause to the women engineers of India. Friends, learning itself has changed. In my time, most of the seniors who are in the front row and also on the dais will definitely tell you, we learned using teacher-assisted learning. Teacher used to come to the classroom and write it on the board. We used to take notes, because some of us could not even afford those textbooks, which are all basically international and written in English. But today, through AICT's efforts, we have made this possible in all languages. 12 different languages, textbooks have been written. And this is what AICT has done, that changed how engineering education is delivered. And learning also has changed. Today, students learn actually through self-learning, collaborative learning, peer learning, technology-assisted learning, experiential learning. I was very happy to hear your director's report highlighting all these aspects of learning at NIT Arunachal Pradesh. Congratulations to the leadership of NIT. Friends, but this journey of change in the learning, change in the way we incorporate women and all the disadvantaged people into our education, but this journey is only the beginning. The vision of Vikasit Bharat 2047, when India celebrates 100 years of independence, calls for a developed, inclusive, I'm highlighting inclusive, innovative and sustainable nation. This dream cannot be achieved by government alone. It requires the energy, ideas and leadership of young graduates like you. You are very fortunate to graduate in an era of unprecedented opportunities. Today, opportunities are plenty. Maybe you may be hearing there are no placements. All these jobs are being taken by AI agents. But let me tell you, you have plenty of opportunities. You are living in an opportunity world today. Those who embrace this technology will be leading India. Emerging technologies such as artificial intelligence, clean energy, advanced materials, digital platforms are transforming every sector. These technologies will shape the future of humanity, and India expects you to lead this transformation. I was also happy to hear from your director that artificial intelligence, data science courses are given across the disciplines, even for a civil engineer, and you can minor in a computer science area, which is a phenomenal. Even though it says artificial intelligence, I call this as augmented intelligence. Because technologies are changing so fast. See, you might have heard.
Arup Kumar Das. Aditya Kumar Ansu. Tatikonda Noresh. Radha Palpi Borua. Rohit Meena. Now we'll move the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, starting with Surojit Das. Navam Kakum. Joy Shiram Murtem. Shanvendra Rai. Anil Ram, Rushanti P, চিত্রবর্ণী সরকার, সোনালী মণ্ডল, লিখা গানু, now we'll move to the discipline of electronics and communication engineering, starting with Bornali Choudhury. Lukram Dhanchandra Singh, Madhusmita Das. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we'll move with the Department of Electrical Engineering, starting with Gomor Bam. Devashish Das, Isaac Daimari, moving to